Welcome to Salon Casa Real in Bacalar, Pampanga. Today, we're showcasing the exquisite Miranda Model. Offers a lot area of 198 square meters and a floor area of 187 square meters. Upon entering, you are greeted by a spacious living area, perfect for family gatherings and relaxation. The open layout allows for easy flow and connectivity throughout the home. Adjacent to the living area is the dining space and a modern kitchen. The kitchen comes fully equipped with a complimentary to Burner Stovetop, Rangehood, and built-in cabinets in the master bedroom and kitchen. The ground floor also features a well-appointed bedroom and a full bathroom, providing comfort and accessibility for guests or family members. Plus, enjoy the convenience of a 1.5 horsepower split type AC and free installation of water and electricity. This beautiful home features 3 bedrooms on the second floor, 1 bedroom on the ground floor, and 3 bathrooms. Let's head upstairs to explore the private quarters. Living in Salon Casa Real means enjoying a host of top-notch amenities. We have an events place, a church, a clubhouse, a swimming pool, a basketball court, parks, and a playground. The wide roads and gated community ensure safety and ease of access. The master bedroom is a true retreat, complete with built-in cabinets and an ensuite bathroom, offering a serene and private space to unwind. Step out onto the balcony to enjoy fresh air and scenic views, an ideal spot for your morning coffee or evening relaxation. The second and third bedrooms are spacious and versatile, perfect for children or as additional guest rooms. A shared bathroom on this floor ensures convenience for all. This community is strategically positioned along JASA Road, formerly Olongapo-Gapan Road, providing easy access to major shopping centers like SM Pampanga, Robinsons, SM Downtown, and SNR Membership Shopping Mall. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Miranda Model at Salon Casa Real. Ready to step into the comfort of your dream home? Contact us now to seize this opportunity and make your dream of owning a home a reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more house tour and real estate insights.